How to add zero before numbers in MS Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. I have these numbers. Now, if I try to add zero in any of the numbers and press on enter, zero will disappear. So to add zero, what you need to do is add comma, the top comma, and then type in 0 as you want and press on enter. You will need to simply add comma before adding zeros. Another way is simply select your data where you want to add zero. After you've selected your data, right-click on it. After right-clicking on it, click on Format Cells. After that, in here on the left side, click on Custom. After you've pressed on Custom, below Type, simply type in zeros. As you can see, I have 4 numbers, so I will need to add 40 first. Add 0 as you have numbers. I have 4, so I'm typing 4. If I had 5, I would type in 5. After that, how many zeros you want? I want 2 zeros, so extra 2. There are 6 zeros, and as you can see, there are 2 extra zeros. And this is a 0 before numbers in MS Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.